Family. History has just been made in Africa. The Democratic Republic of Congo, one of the richest nations on Earth in terms of natural resources, has signed a mega $50 billion gold deal with the United States of America. Yes, you heard that right, $50 billion. This deal is shaking up global markets, rewriting the rules of international trade, and changing the future of Africa's wealth. Stay with me, because in this video we are going to break down what this deal really means for Congo, for Africa, and for the world. The Democratic Republic of Congo, often simply called DRC, sits in the heart of Africa. While many know it for its history of conflict and instability, very few realize that it is literally sitting on a mountain of wealth. Gold, diamonds, coltan, cobalt, copper, and countless other minerals make the DRC one of the most resource-rich countries in the world. But here's the problem. Despite all this natural wealth, the Congolese people have remained among the poorest on Earth for decades. Colonial exploitation, corruption, wars, and foreign interference robbed Congo of its resources while enriching outsiders. Now, something new is happening. The United States of America, one of the world's biggest economic powers, has stepped into Congo with a $50 billion gold investment deal. This move is creating both excitement and questions. Is this a new dawn for Congo, or another chapter of foreign exploitation? So what exactly is in this deal? According to reports, the United States will invest $50 billion into Congo's gold sector. This involves mining rights for American companies in key gold-rich regions, infrastructure development such as roads, power plants, and transport networks to support mining operations, revenue-sharing agreements that ensure Congo gets a percentage of profits, job creation. Thousands of Congolese workers will be employed in mining, processing, and logistics. The U.S. is framing this as a win-win partnership. America secures access to one of the world's largest gold deposits, while Congo receives investment, jobs, and infrastructure. But here's the bigger picture. $50 billion is not just about gold. It's about geopolitical influence. Let's ask the big question. Why is America so interested in Congo right now? Global gold reserves. Gold is more than just jewelry. It's a global financial safety net. Central banks and investors see gold as a hedge against inflation, currency collapse, and financial crises. The U.S. wants to secure long-term gold supplies. Competition with China. China has been investing heavily in Africa for years, building roads, railways, dams, and mining projects. Congo has been a major target of China's Belt and Road Initiative. By stepping in with this $50 billion deal, America is signaling that it does not want to leave Africa entirely in China's hands. Strategic resources. Gold is valuable, but Congo also holds cobalt and coltan, which are critical for electronics and electric vehicles. This gold deal could be a doorway for America to expand its reach into Congo's wider resource sector. In short, this isn't just about gold. It's about power, influence, and the future of global economics. Now, let's focus on the Congolese people. What does this mean for them? White heavy checkmark potential benefits. Massive infrastructure growth. With $50 billion flowing in, we could see new highways, energy plants, schools, and hospitals. Job opportunities. Thousands of Congolese may find employment in mining and related industries. Revenue for government. If managed transparently, Congo's government could collect billions in taxes and royalties. Boost to currency. Congo's franc could gain strength as gold exports bring in foreign currency. Potential risks. Resource exploitation. Congo has a long history of foreign companies taking resources without benefiting locals. Will this deal be any different? Corruption. If government officials misuse the money, the people may see little change. Environmental impact. Large-scale mining often destroys ecosystems, pollutes rivers, and displaces communities. So, while the deal looks promising on paper, everything depends on implementation and governance. One of the most exciting aspects of this deal is what it means for Africa as a whole. For decades, Africa has been seen as a supplier of raw materials to the world. Gold, oil, diamonds, cocoa, all exported cheaply while manufactured goods are imported expensively. Deals like this one show that Africa is now becoming a battleground of global powers. If Congo plays its cards right, this could be a turning point. Imagine, instead of just exporting raw gold, Congo could build refineries, jewel factories, and gold reserves of its own. This would mean value addition, creating real industries and wealth inside Africa. Other African nations will be watching closely. If Congo benefits from this deal, it may inspire Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, and others to negotiate stronger, fairer resource agreements. Let's not forget the global consequences. Gold prices. With the U.S. securing a huge supply of gold, global markets might stabilize or even see price shifts. China versus USA. This deal intensifies the competition between China and America in Africa. Will it spark a new Cold War over African resources? European Union and Russia. Europe and Russia will not stay silent. They too have interests in Africa's resources. Expect more megadeals in the coming years. Essentially, Congo's gold is becoming a stage for global economic battles. But at the end of the day, it's not about America or China. It's about the Congolese people. For too long, they have suffered while their country's wealth filled foreign bank accounts. The people want to see real change: schools for their children, clean water, good healthcare, proper roads, and opportunities for young people. If this $50 billion deal is managed correctly, Congo could begin a new chapter, one where its people finally enjoy the blessings of their own land. But if it goes wrong, it could be another tragic repeat of history. So what does this all mean? The USA's $50 billion gold deal with DR Congo is one of the biggest in Africa's history. It has the potential to transform Congo's economy, reshape Africa's role in global trade, and shift the balance of power between the world's superpowers. But the real question is, will Congo rise, or will history repeat itself? Family, Africa is waking up. The world is turning its eyes to the continent because the future is here. Gold, oil, technology, minerals. Africa holds the keys. And deals like this prove that Africa is no longer being ignored. Let's hope this time, the wealth of Congo finally reaches the people who deserve it most, the citizens of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Closing call to action. If you found this video insightful, make sure you hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more deep dives into Africa's economic rise. Together, let's keep exposing the truth and telling Africa's real story. See you in the next one.